Each year, Oldsmobile engineers strive to answer your questions and keep pace with your changing world, your wants, and your changing needs. For 1980, to satisfy your demand for luxury, comfort, and performance in a full-size luxury car, Oldsmobile brings you the new 98 Regency Coupe and Sedan and 98 Luxury Sedan. In front, the 98 has been restyled with a new, longer, lower look. The new trunk deck has been shortened by 2 inches. The 1980 Olds 98 still built in Oldsmobile's tradition of quality, comfort, and luxury.
The new design is very pleasing to the eye. But what about fuel efficiency? We're all concerned about that today.
Through the use of lighter-weight body hardware and strong lighter-weight bumpers with high-strength steel face bars and aluminum reinforcements, the total weight of the 1980 Olds 98 has been reduced over 100 pounds. The new GM specification radial tires on all 98s. These tires have new compounding and construction to produce a lower rolling resistance for fuel efficiency and increased tire life compared to their radial predecessors. This, combined with a new, more aerodynamic design and reduced weight, allows the use of a smaller displacement standard engine. An all-new 5-liter 307 cubic inch V8, designed for performance and efficiency, delivers impressive EPA mileage estimates. Available engines include a 5.7-liter 350 cubic inch V8. For the highlight of efficiency and engineering excellence, the 5.7-liter 350 cubic inch V8 diesel is available in all 50 states. Ask your old sales representative for the 1980 EPA estimated miles per gallon for all of the 98 models. Remember, use these estimates for comparison. The mileage you get may differ.
What about 98's ride and handling? Has this been affected by the weight reduction and new tires?
To maintain its high-quality ride and handling, major refinements have been made in structure, acoustics, isolation, and ride tuning. Body, engine, and transmission mounts as well as suspension bushings have also been retuned for isolation from road vibrations and noise. New low-friction ball joints and new shock absorbers have both been added to further enhance the ride and handling of the Olds 98. Even front-end sheet metal was retuned.
How about comfort and convenience? The Olds 98 has always been a leader in this area.
The roomy, comfortable interior dimensions remain the same as they did in '79. And to enhance this interior comfort and convenience, standard features include 4 seasons air conditioning, electric clock, power seat driver side, driver and passenger remote control side mirrors, power windows, and more. Even the trunk has more usable space with the use of the compact spare, new trunk lid hinges, and with redesigned tail lamp wiring and housings, which are more compact and protrude less into the trunk area. All these features help provide you with impressive Oldsmobile comfort and convenience.
How does the 1980 Oldsmobile 98 represent value to me?
Service and dependability have always been associated with the Olds 98, and the 1980 models go even further. For 1980, corrosion protection has been improved. Broader application has been made in pre-coated steels in sensitive areas. Wax coatings are used on the exterior. Chip-resistant plastisol has been added underneath the top paint coat to help prevent stone damage. The plastic wheelhouse panel also incorporates the battery mounting provisions. This eliminates the metal tray, reducing the chance of corrosion. All these things add value to every 1980 Olds 98 model. All in all, the 1980 Oldsmobile 98 Luxury Sedan and 98 Regency Coupe and Sedan bring a fresh, new, elegant appearance to the luxury car market. Oldsmobile 98. Full-size luxury cars, designed and engineered for the 1980s. Ask for a demonstration drive today. We've had one built for you.